Hey beauties, this is April coming with another video. This is a video in honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month, which is from October 1st through October 31st. This is a tag video that was started by AI the Great, Perfume Lover 80, and Fine Fabs by Keitra, and I definitely enjoy watching all three of these lovely ladies' videos. So I wanted to go ahead and join in the tag and show my beautiful pink bottles that I have. And don't forget to definitely do your monthly checks and get your mammograms. So the first bottle that we have here is Bombshell from Victoria's Secret. And I believe there is a new bottle. I'm not quite for sure. But I love this perfume right here. I get a lot of compliments when I wear it. I do also like the bottle. I like the different colors of pink that it has and the little black bow that says Victoria's Secret. It's a very pretty bottle. This smells so good. Like, as far as the notes that you're going to get in here, you get vanilla orchard, purple passion fruit, and this smells so good. I really enjoy wearing this perfume. This is like my third bottle, and I already have a new bottle waiting on me, so I really enjoy this perfume. So the next fragrance that I have here is from Versace, and this is Bright Crystal Absolu. And I really like this bottle here. I love the shape of the crystal on top. I love the shade of pink that this is in. This smells really good. Like, I feel like this is a good fragrance that you can from summer into fall. This smells really good. As far as the notes here, you're gonna get pomegranate, raspberry, peony, magnolia, lotus flower. This smells really good. I really like this. It also has musk in it, and you can definitely smell the musk. Like, I feel like this is a great fragrance to wear on a nice warm fall day, and you will smell amazing. This smells really good. Next that I have here is Valentino, Donna, born in Rome, and this smells so good. But before we get into how it smells, I definitely do like this bottle here. I love that it has the black and the pink here. I love the little studs on the bottle. This is a really cute, sexy bottle here. Now, as far as the notes here, you're gonna get blackcurrant, jasmine, bourbon, and vanilla. And the bourbon in here smells so good. I actually have this on as my scent of the day. And oh, I really like this. This is really sexy. Like, I feel like you can wear this day or night. I feel like in the daytime, it might be, in the daytime, I wouldn't overspray this. I wouldn't, but I know that's hard to do because I'm an oversprayer, but I just feel like it's really soft and like it has this powdery scent to it also. That's why I feel like you can get away with it in the daytime, but this is a really sexy fragrance. So the next perfume I have here is from Ariana Grande, and this is Thank You Next. And this is a really cute bottle. This does come out of the little heart, and this is what it looks like outside of the heart. I like this bottle. It's just classic and clean. I really like the top a lot. The top is very cute on here. I like that a lot. Now, as far as the notes on here, you're gonna get your white pear, your white raspberry, coconut, pink rose petals, macaroon sugar, and velvet musk. Now, this is a Gourmand, and this smells really good. I haven't smelled this in a while. To be honest, I haven't used this in forever. And I feel like this should definitely be a Gourmand that I should pull out for this fall. Now, this smells really good. I don't even remember buying this, to be honest. And I don't know what made me buy it. Maybe I smelled it in the store. I don't know. It's not very memorable to me to why I purchased this scent, to be honest. But now that I'm rediscovering this, your girl gonna be wearing this. So next, this is another fragrance from Ariana Grande, and this is Sweet Like Candy. This bottle is a really cute bottle. I definitely do not like this little puff ball on here. Normally when I'm using it, I take this puff ball off because I always spray the fragrance on this puff ball. But I do wear this one way more than the other one. This one smells hella good. I like this. Let me take this off because it's getting on my nerves. I wear this in the daytime. I wear it to work a lot because I feel like it's really soft. It's girly. I don't feel like it's doing way too much, but it's giving me a good scent. Like, you'll be like, oh, she smells good. Like, I like this. This smells really, really good. The next fragrance here is from MAC, and this is Candy Yum Yum. Candy Yum Yum is actually one of my favorite pink lipsticks. I definitely enjoyed wearing Candy Yum Yum. This, like it's called candy. This is what it smells like, but it's like a grown candy. It's not like a Laffy Taffy or anything like that. This is a grown candy. Like the musk in this makes it grown. Like, I like this a lot. I feel like this will be good for a good date night in the house and you want to snuggle and you smell like candy. That's what Candy Yum Yum is good for. So as far as the notes in Candy Yum Yum, you're going to get pink guava. It really doesn't give you much information on what is in Candy Yum Yum, but to me, it has like, I definitely do get the guava when you smell it, like a really sweet guava, but it also has musk in there. I can smell the musk and it smells good, and that's what makes it a grown scent. So this right here is from Viktor and Rolf, and this is Bonbon, and this is going to be one of the Gourmand fragrances that I want to smell like this fall. This smells so good. I love the bottle. This pink bow is absolutely darling. Now, as far as what the notes are in here, you're going to get caramel, mandarin, and orange. And those together, this just smells so good. Like, it just makes me want to eat this. If it was edible, I would definitely try it. This smells so good. I really like this. Definitely check this out. Okay, beauties, so that is the end of the pink bottle tag, and I definitely want to thank you all for stopping by and checking out my channel. Don't forget to do your monthly checks, and also don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one. Bye, beauties.